Have you ever thought about how many species are on the Hampshire College campus? 100? 200? Believe it or not, we have thousands of different organisms living throughout campus. This includes everything from elm trees and wild daisies to toads and black bears. Organisms like these clean our air, provide nutrient-rich soils, pollinate our crops, and much more. They all individually contribute to the campus's biodiversity and are essential to our well-being. Biodiversity is a measure of the variation at the genetic, species, and ecosystem levels. Our campus has many functioning ecosystems, some of the most common of these being forests and bogs. Understanding ecosystems around us and why they are essential to our area on campus helps us appreciate and preserve them. We all know Hampshire College has plenty of trees, but did you know forests are one of the most abundant ecosystems found within our area? Massachusetts is the 8th most forested state in the US, having 62% forest cover. A majority of the forests within the state are up to an astonishing 80 years old. The most common tree species found within our area are white pine, red maple, northern red oak, and hemlock. Surrounding these trees on the forest floor lie dead leaves, ferns, and wildflowers, where you'll see small creatures like toads, squirrels, or mice, maybe foraging for a meal or looking for a place to hide. Forests are valuable not only for their beauty and serenity, but more importantly for their role in cleaning our air and water. Unfortunately, deforestation and pollution are great threats to our forests. There are many ways to help cut down on your contribution to these issues. Easy steps you can take include considering the amount of single-use items you consume that contribute to litter or take part in trail cleanup. Also prevalent on our campus are peatlands. Peatlands are significant to us because they can prevent and stop flooding. More commonly known as bogs, peatlands are another widespread ecosystem found in our region and on Hampshire campus. Peatlands are swampy wetland areas with incompletely decomposed plant material. The most common organism found within peatlands is sphagnum moss. Sphagnum moss has a unique and essential function in its environment as it provides a base for other plants to grow. It flourishes in a peatland ecosystem because of its ability to hold up to 20 times its weight in water. Other plants that can be found in peatlands include sheep laurel, bog rosemary, and leatherleaf. These bogs are inhabitable for most other organisms. However, animals like deer and bears can forage for food within them. The mosses that cover these bogs work against floods by absorbing excess precipitation and runoff. Peatlands also function as carbon sinks, meaning they sequester substantial amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This is increasingly important as humans are putting more CO2 into our atmosphere. Encouraging peatlands to thrive could make significant improvements to the future of our planet. Hampshire College has a living campus composed of various ecosystems, each filled with thousands of organisms working to keep us alive. We want to value and protect this beautiful piece of land and the organisms in which we share it. One of the best and easiest ways you can create a positive impact is to upload to the iNaturalist app under the Hampshire Biodiversity Project. Doing so will assist us in better understanding the wildlife in our area. The more we are able to identify and learn about these organisms, the better we can conserve and coexist with them.